Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be making some bone broth. Now, I was asked by a friend what my process was, so this is going to be just a very quick video. Now, I'm doing this batch in my slow cooker. I usually use a big stock pot, but I need to just let this sit and do its own thing while I go off and do other things. So here I've got a combination of some chicken feet and all the bones that you have, like roast chicken or legs of lamb, and I just freeze them, and when I've got a good amount I then put them into my slow cooker, a splash of vinegar, and fill it up with water just above the bones, and just let it do its thing for, I go for about 2 days, 48 hours, and then I take them out. So once your 24 hours are up, or if you want to leave it longer, that's fine. I just strain the broth out. Now this is cooling down. I've already done another batch, and I then put it in the fridge for overnight, and you'll find a layer of fat on the top. Now I do skim that off, and then you can either drink the broth, and I can the broth up as well. So some people don't skim the fat off, but that's entirely up to you. So the next step is, once the bones have cooled down so you can touch them, I separate those that aren't soft. So then I use my pestle and mortar, and I bash them down, I suppose you want to say. So I crush them down, and then I do lay them onto my dehydrating rack. If you've got a freeze dryer, you can do this in a freeze dryer as well. And then just dry them, and once it becomes a powder, you just blend it up. I use what's it called, a NutriBullet, and I just grind that into a powder. So guys, this is the end result. It's got some bone meal here, beautiful. So we use this in our garden, and I then store it in just a plastic container. Now, a lot of people have said, why do you go to all this trouble? I don't mind. I don't think it's a lot of trouble. I just like to be prepared. Now, at the moment, things are fine, and you can get fertiliser for your garden, but there will come a time where things will be scarce and there may not be any fertiliser. So we do here make a lot of our own fertilisers, and so this is just another one, and this one is really important. I think it really helps the soil. So they're the few steps. Quick video, like I said, because people couldn't get their heads around why I was doing this or how I was doing it. So I hope that helps, guys. Thanks for watching.